Tomolayo Holalikon. You're welcome to today's class. To draft any other sleeve design, you can make use of your pattern, your basic pattern sleeve, to draft it out. All you just do is to make some alteration. Now I'm going to use this to draft a puff sleeve. What you do is you place it like this, and from the apex, all you do is place it like this, and from the apex just go up by 3 inches or 4 inches, depends on how high you want it to be. I'm using 4 inches, and from there just rule. Look at the midpoint here, which is this place. All you now do is you bring a curve to the top. I will be making use of my ruler. The ruler helps very well. I prefer using ruler than to use my hand. It gives a perfect illustration and makes work very neat and perfect. So you can see that's from the midpoint, and you curve like that. Then connect the line to the hem. You can tape the basic sleeve to the main one you are making use of, the working pattern, like this. For easy cutting, just take it to it when doing it, and from there you trace and cut. This is what you have after cutting it. You had your 0.5 seam allowance at this head, 1 inch at this end, and 1 inch at the hem. You can also draft it on a brown paper or a newspaper. That's okay. After tucking it together, see how it looks. So lovely, lovely puff. This is a lovely puff sleeve. Make sure you try it and do yours. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.